So we're on the first leg of our trip to Bali. We're here in Panama City. We had an overnight layover, so it's early. So yeah, just keep watching. All right. So it's many hours later, and we are in LA, waiting for our next flight, which is to Taiwan.
A long ass flight.
14 hours and a half. So yeah, we have a really long layover, so we decided to kind of get a hotel room for a while in LA and
Relax.
check out early, and then go back to the airport tonight, which is basically right across the street. So we'll be back. Okay, so we're about to embark on the third leg of our journey. This is the longest one. Hopefully it's a smooth flight, and hopefully the Wi-Fi works. We'll talk about that. But yeah, it's a long journey we got ahead of us here in a couple hours, so be right back.
Up time it was. Figured out how to leave, and I'm glad because now I know how it goes. Looking back.